Hello, everyone. Welcome to my 11:11 a.m. Eastern daily meditation that I'm doing every single Monday through Friday here on Facebook live, but I'm also offering it in replay on IGTV and YouTube and in my private Facebook community. My name is Rebekah Borucki. I am a mother of five, a meditation guide, and an author of books for big and little readers. And right now, as you're watching this in late April and early May 2020, I have a big campaign that I'm hosting for my next children's book, Zara's Big Messy Bedtime. And I am extending the invitation for people to sponsor classrooms, to put free books into 100 classrooms for every single student, free books, assemblies, and mental health resources. I'm super excited about it. We have early bird rewards and all kinds of good stuff going on. We have these adorable little Zara pillows when you sponsor a classroom. and there's only a few spots for these left. So these little Zara pillows, and she's here with her best friend Worry the dragon, and we have a custom little dragon print on the back. So these are really cute. So go to bigmessybooks.com. That link is in the video description, along with links to my private Facebook community where you can download 3 of my books. You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life, Managing the Mother Load, and my first children's book, Zara's Big Messy Day, for free. So there's lots of free resources in my private Facebook community. Today we're going to be doing a meditation for loving kindness, for receiving and extending support. I think it's really important during this very hard time, this time of global crisis, this global pandemic that we are experiencing all together, that we allow ourselves the rest that we need, but to also make sure that we're asking for help and that we are extending help in any way that we can, like really any way that we can. I was doing a talk this morning, an interview for a podcast with my friend Alexandra Jameson, and she asked me about the mission behind the book, behind the children's books, about giving these kids in under-resourced schools the books for free. And I told her the story about me hearing my parents argue as a little girl, and I'm going to age myself here. It was at the height of the AIDS epidemic in the early 1980s. And at that point, Ronald Reagan hadn't even said the word yet. So for those of you who weren't born yet or don't remember that time, AIDS was killing a huge amount of people, especially gay men. And our government wasn't even acknowledging it. If you got AIDS, you died from AIDS. And these people were being left to suffer and to perish. So at that point, my father was a carpenter growing up, and he got a job for a family whose son was dying of AIDS, and they had to move him into their house to receive hospice care. And they had to have changes made to the house for him to be comfortable and for them to be able to take care of his medical needs. And my mother and father were arguing because my mother was saying that, so my father did the work for free at the cost of materials. And my mother was angry because we hardly had enough money to eat. Like, we were poor. We weren't like, I'm broke now because of all of this that's going on, but we were actually poor. We didn't have a way out of what we were experiencing, or an immediate way out. And my father was doing this work for free. And she said, you have your own family to feed. How can you be doing this for someone else? And I will remember these words always, because it really shaped how I work and show up in the world now. He said, no, you're wrong. These people are our family. So he saw no separation between the people in our house and the people that he was called to help, that we were all one family. So in that spirit, I would like to offer today's meditation of loving kindness, of service, but also welcoming in help and allowing ourselves to receive the love and care and support that we need. I start every meditation with a big inhale and exhale just to ground myself in the space and to signal to my body that it's time to create this sacred container for my thoughts, my feelings, my breath, my healing. Wherever you find yourself now, I want you to just get into a comfortable seated position. If you're sitting, you can recline. Maybe you're in a chair or on your couch. It doesn't matter. Just find your easy or comfortable seat that allows you to be in this meditation without any pain or added pain or tension. Close your eyes if that feels safe and comfortable, or leave them open and focus softly on an object or a spot across the room or on the floor. Sit up as tall as you're able, or again, just be in that easy seat. Bring your attention to your easy, effortless, and natural inhales and exhales as they are right now. Allow your breath to come without changing it, without trying to manipulate it. Allow it to be a messenger, a communicator of your present state. You are showing up perfectly in this moment. There's no need to make adjustments unless they bring you more comfort, more peace, or quiet. Just allow for ease right now. Allow for this space to bring ease and grace. Keeping your attention on your breath. I want to bring you into a space of loving kindness, which means with every breath, with every energetic pulse, the beat of your heartbeat, the blood moving through your veins, you are offering this positive, loving energy out into the world. You're sending it outward beyond the container of your body, beyond your immediate energetic field that surrounds you. You are offering your peace to the world, your love to your brothers, your sisters, your siblings on this planet, because you know, at least deep down, that when others hurt, you hurt. And as you heal, others heal with you. And when we pursue a collective healing, when we pursue our own healing, we make the world a better place for all. So with each grateful breath, gratitude for the affirmation of the inhale that brings in energy, life force. Gratitude for the exhale that sends out love and peace, serenity. Know that you are healing along with everyone else you touch. They're healing with you. your affirmation of loving kindness for today. With every breath, I am grateful. I am grateful for the love, the help, and the support that I receive when I allow it. With every breath, I am grateful. I am grateful for my ability to share love and kindness with the world. With every breath, I am grateful that I am a child of my Creator, as every other person is on this planet. And I am grateful for that community, for that world family. With every breath, I am grateful that I can create these moments, these containers for peace, for my own healing, so that I may spread peace and so that others may heal. With every breath, I am grateful for life force, for grace, for vitality, for healing, for the ability to heal others, for the ability to receive love, and the obligation to share love. With every breath, I am grateful. For every breath, I am grateful. Every inhale and exhale connects me to others, and I am so grateful. Inhale and exhale with me 3 times to affirm all that you've done here, all the work that we've done together. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, acknowledge life force. Exhale, send love. One more time, welcome in support. Inhale. Exhale, send out peace and calm. Hands to heart center in prayer with your thumbs pressed against your chest or one hand over the other. Acknowledge your heart beating. Acknowledge your chest rising and falling with every inhale and exhale. Acknowledge the vibration of blood coursing through your veins, delivering life force and energy and vitality to every piece of you. And then slowly, with your next natural inhale and exhale, go ahead and flutter your eyes open and return to this space. Hola. Hola. Hello, Carol. Thank you for joining me. I'm just going to remind you one more time. The campaign is going on. I'm not too proud to beg. I so desperately need your help. It is very, very, very hard to raise funds and to get attention for giving campaigns during this time. So if you could share, support, pre-order a book, whatever you can do, sponsor a classroom, go to bigmessybooks.com. The link is in the video description. Please join me in my private Facebook community for more community, more conversation. I'm giving away 3 of my books in digital format. You have 4 minutes to change your life, Managing the Mother Load, Zara's Big Messy Day that turned out okay. Thank you for showing up for me. Thank you for showing up for me and yourself today, because it inspires and compels me to show up for myself and for you every day. And 3 times, just to affirm what is true. I love you, I love you, I love you. And from the deepest part of my soul, I thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful. I'll see you.